Let's look at the inventory specialist's role. Your job is to monitor inventory reports and to order parts when necessary. Effective inventory management, ensuring you have the proper spare parts available when needed, will allow your work centers to operate effectively. If spare parts are not in inventory and work is assigned by the resource scheduler, this will result in maintenance delays and increased costs. A good starting place is the Inventory Specialist Overview tile. Here you can track which components are needed, create purchase orders using pre-configured requisitions, and also track your purchase orders. Now that you know which spare parts are missing, how do you order them? There's two ways to do so. In the Overview tile, you can use the pre-configured cards by clicking here, selecting the card corresponding to the spare part needed and clicking Convert to PO. Now, all you need to do is edit the quantity required and then click Convert to PO. The second way to manage your inventory is to use the Manage Purchase Requisitions tile, which contain pre-configured purchase requisitions for each of the spare parts needed by your work centers. Find the purchase requisition for the spare part needed, edit the quantity required, and then click Create Purchase Order. There you go, you've successfully ordered spare parts. But, how do we know when spare parts will arrive? Use the Purchase Order Tracking Report to view all your orders, the quantity delivered and delivery date. You are now ready to tackle the inventory specialist's role. Don't forget to coordinate your inventory with what is needed by the work centers so that repairs can be completed as efficiently as possible.